cost reduction through HR tools, that is revamping the policies and process. What happens in happy hours? To do a work, there are the process, sub-process, sub-process and sub-process. Maybe the ladder of the process, many process. How these process can be squeezed to minimum ladder? Suppose एक काम करने में हमें 10 स्टेप लेना पड़ता था, आज उस काम को हम 3 स्टेप में कैसे पूरा कर सकते हैं? That is what I am talking about. And reducing the process, we can save the time, and that time can be invested performing other work. And if so, then the individual efficiency gone up, productivity gone up, and productivity linked remuneration gone up. Reducing the cost does not mean that where we have to increase the cost, we should not increase. No, never. Don't interpret that reducing the cost matlab don't increase the cost. Reducing the cost matlab rationalize the cost. And rationalization of cost means what? Where need is there to spend, you spend. Where need is not there, you keep silent. Don't spend, because you are not having good time. Market situation, industry situation, people situation, economy situation is badly affected because of the corona. And if you are dreaming the same what you were dreaming before the corona, my dear friend, your dream will eat up you. Your dream is the wrong dream. Now come directly on the topic, that why I said that cost reduction due to revamp of the policy, procedure, system and process. The happy hours personal policies are made very healthy and fatty. जो चाहिए देते जाओ. हम काम कर रहे हैं इंडिया बम्बई में, लेकिन जापान में साहब को क्या मिलता था फैसिलिटी, वो फैसिलिटी उनको बॉम्बे में दो. होता है ना. हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट साहब कहाँ से आए हैं? इटली से आए हैं. इटली में उनको क्या मिलता था, वो सारी चीज़ें उनको मौजूद होनी चाहिए. दे दो भाई, नो प्रॉब्लम. डोंट मेक हिम अनहैप्पी, because we are expecting a big productivity with the full efficiency and proficiency. So give him whatever cost is incurring, let it incur. Sometimes 200, 300, 400% cost goes up, but MD agrees, and that becomes the part of the policies. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट साहब का केबिन ऐसा होगा, जनरल मैनेजर साहब का ऐसा होगा, उसमें चाय भी होगा, नाश्ता भी होगा, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स भी होगा, हॉट ड्रिंक्स भी होगा, क्या है, फ्रिज भी होगा, एसी भी होगी, सोफा भी होगा. These are the such and better than this what I am saying. Cabins are available. Much more cabins are available in the all the metros, all the #1 cities, because having good amount of money out of the business production, business service business, good profit. So why to worry? Make the Japan style, make the Italy style, make the American style. डेस्कटॉप नहीं चाहिए, 5 लाख का लैपटॉप चाहिए. So you will write in policy that BP level this much stationery, this kind of the pen, this kind of the pencil, this kind of the laptop, this kind of the desktop, this kind of the chair, this kind of the lavish lifestyle cabin, and this kind of the lunch and dinner. यहाँ तक कि मैं आपको बताऊं कि किस तरीके के थाली और ग्लास में पानी पिएंगे बीपी साहब और जनरल मैनेजर साहब. वो बिफोर कोरोना इट वाज हैपनिंग इन दी मेट्रोज. I am evident in the Mumbai. But Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, we are not away from this kind of the practices. And today, therefore, the policy should be revamped to minimum requirement. हम पेन देंगे, 1000 रुपए का पेन नहीं देंगे, हो सकता है शायद 10 रुपए के पेन में काम चलाना पड़ेगा, because corona has created that situation. So in your stationery policy you have to write these things. केबिन मैनेजमेंट कैसा होना चाहिए, आज कैसे हम उसको और नीचे मिनिमम वेयर, आज हो सकता है हम लैपटॉप ना ऑफर कर सकें, हम डेस्कटॉप ही ऑफर करें जो कि 60,000 70,000 का हो. We may not offer luxurious car to our BP and GM and down the line to people. We may offer something or we not offer also. Because cash flow per day, cash flow is very weak. Fund is not coming. And if anything is happening, then it is the outgoing is increased. Maybe because of the labor cost, maybe of the material cost, maybe because of the salary, maybe because of the statutory fulfillment, maybe because of the so many other reasons. So we may give simple cabin or open place can be given in a half corner. Make this kind of the personal policies. Bonus may be given, may not be given. Because bonus is the part of the profit. Because of the corona, there is no profit, there is no production, there is no service, there is no operation, nothing. When there is no profit, where is the bonus? All these things to be put in the policies. Corona, because of the corona, certain things we have to insult. Use of the PPE, use of the mask, use of the sprays. Maybe the small things we are talking about. Sanitizer. But these become the part of the policy. Earlier we were implying above 60 years personality, above 70 years old person. And here I will say, especially that security organization, housekeeping organization, infrastructure organization, construction organization, if you go even as on today, there is the 70 years old person sitting, occupying the chair, post and position. 75 years old person, I can show you. Then you have to change your the recruitment policy. You may employ 40, 45 years old person at the top position, who is giving more to company, who is full of efficiency, who is full of proficiency, who is not of the substandard quality. Don't feel bad that you are coming under that category, then Dr. Srivastava is talking, then you are getting unhappy. No, my dear friend, we all are equally responsible to run the industry. It is not that Union will run the industry under their whim and fancy, and it is not that MD will run under their whim and fancy. No, we have to develop the adversity quotient. Each and everyone, let it be peon, president, MD, director, executive director, who he may be, who she may be, you have to develop all these kind of the things, and then only company can survive. Survival of company is not in the hand of one person. I have learned very hard way that what I am talking to you. And I am that kind of the person. And company has given me much. In 35 years of the company, of the group general manager. 38 years of the company, I was the vice president. 42 years of myself, I was the senior vice president. And thereon I was the chief executive officer and chief people officer. And I am very sure that all these benefits I was given because I was having positive aura and positive thought in the mind of the MD, executive director and CEO where I was working. So because always even as on today, I am ready to say wherever you want that company cannot be run by one person. Yes, of course you will thinking that प्रॉफिट तो एक आदमी लेके जाता है, वो एमडी है, या डायरेक्टर लोग बड़ा बड़ा प्रॉफिट लेके जाते हैं, बड़े बड़े गाड़ी जमाते हैं, बड़े बड़े सब आते हैं। देखो भाई, हर एक का अपना नसीब। सिंघानिया साहब आज रेंट के घर में रह रहे कोलाबा में। सिंघानिया साहब को आप जाते हैं, जेके सिंघानिया, जिन्होंने फर्स्ट फ्लाइट उड़ाया, जिन्होंने जेके ग्रुप जैसा ग्रुप दिया, उनके बारे में काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लोटिंग हुई कि ही इज स्टेइंग विद वाइफ इन द कोलाबा बेस्ड रेंटेड प्रीमाइस, a chairman of JK Group. So that is also fate. They are the investor, they have put the money, they are taking more and more risk, therefore they will receive more. Think the way I am thinking. If you can think, I am very sure you will find that yes, I am also like Dr. Srivastava, and it gives the zeal, energy, motivation, self-motivation and a quality of leadership that yes, I am. My dear friend, change the policy, change the practice, change the norms, change the condition, change the process, change the engineering method to do all kind of the work. You will be benefited. Thus again going up, your people will be benefited, your senior will be benefited, board of directors will be benefited, industrial society will be benefited, economy of the country will be benefited, economy of the province, economy of the country will be benefited. Even maybe your firm is small. And don't think that small contribution is small. Please, let me narrate an example. The squirrel, जब भी पुल बांधा जा रहा था रामेश्वरम से लंका, रामचंद्र जी बैठे थे और वहाँ पर सब नल नील वगैरह पत्थर तैरा रहे थे। एक मछली पानी में एक स्क्वायरल जाती थी पानी में, वो भीग करके आती थी और सैंड में लोड करके सैंड को ले जा करके जहाँ पे नल नील जो है पत्थर डालते थे वहाँ पर अपने पूरे सैंड को झाड़ देती थी, गिरा देती थी, इस इम्प्रेशन से कि पत्थर इससे जुड़ जाएंगे। श्री रामचंद्र जी देखते रहे और उन्होंने स्क्वायरल को पकड़ा, अपने गोद में प्यार किया और उन्होंने बोला कि जो तुम मेरे काम में, प्रभु काम में, राम काज में काम कर रही हो, तुम द्वारा जिंदगी भर ये मेरे हाथ की उंगली तुम्हारे ऊपर रहेगा। और माय डियर फ्रेंड, इतना बड़ा वरदान, इतना बड़ा प्यार आशीर्वाद मिला गिलहरी को कि आज भी गिलहरी को आप देखोगे तो श्री रामचंद्र जी भगवान के हाथ का और उंगलियों का सिंबल आज भी बना हुआ है। रामायण में लिखा है, गीता में लिखा है, पुराण में लिखा है, हर जगह लिखा हुआ है। मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन मैं आपको मोटिवेट करना चाहता हूँ कि आपका गिलहरी स्क्वायरल हेल्प इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन गिव द बिग ब्रिज which can join one corner to other corner of the success. My dear friend, cost can be reduced this way also. When your need is there, you need help to design this the policy procedure, reduce the cost in the organization to make the organization sustainable. I am there with my Natus Management Consultancy. Dr. Satish Srivastava will help you. Thank you very much.